Here's a few more examples of factoring using the GCF ladder method for algebraic expressions. Just like in my last videos, I'm going to start with my numbers. 24 and 12 can both be divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 12 divided by 6 is 2. I notice that 4 and 2 can both be divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Make sure you keep your variables and your operation all the way down through the ladder. Now that my numbers are finished, I need to focus on my variables. Looking at my A, if I look over here, there is no A variable, meaning I cannot take out an A because they do not have that as a common factor. And the same thing with B. There's no B in this term, so B is not a common factor between the two terms either. So that means we are done and ready to write our equivalent expression. So we multiply our common factors. 6 times 2 is 12 to get our GCF. We put that outside of the parentheses, and then our bottom numbers in our ladder, or our bottom terms, our bottom expression, goes inside of the parentheses. So we have 2a minus b. This 1 becomes invisible. You do not need to write it. So our final answer is 12 parentheses 2a minus b. Let's take a look at our next example. We have 18f minus 27. Focusing on our numbers, I see that 9 is a common factor. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Keeping our variable and our operation, now it's time to look at our variables. F is in this term, but not in this term, so it is not a common factor. Our numbers are done, so this is ready to be rewritten into its equivalent expression. When you only have one factor outside, then that means you found your GCF on the first try. So you just write that number outside the parentheses, and you rewrite this entire expression inside the parentheses. So our final answer is 9 parentheses 2f minus 3.